Tonight, the CDC is tracking a drug-resistant and potentially deadly fungus, which has seen a steep increase in clinical cases in recent years. Our Tom Kowalski spoke with a handful of medical professionals today. Tom is joining us live tonight to tell us if we should be concerned or not. Tom, what did you discover earlier? And what do you have to?
Well, Eva, Candida auris has been around for well over a decade now, and while this is nothing new, experts are concerned with the drastic increase in cases over the past few years. According to the CDC, in 2022, there was 2,377 clinical cases nationwide, up from 1,474 in 2021 and just 757 in 2020. And now, while experts say this is certainly something to keep an eye on, they say for the average American, it shouldn't be too much of a concern. Just as the world recovers from COVID-19, another disease appears. According to the CDC, the fungus Candida auris has seen an alarming rise in cases nationwide.
In recent years, we've seen a number of cases increase up to 3 times what we were seeing previously. And the main issue with it is resistance that we're seeing against the antifungals that we typically use to treat other fungal infections.
Dr. Brandon Singh says it's not just the rise in cases, but also the fungus's resistance to known treatments. But while it may seem intimidating, epidemiologist Dr. Becky Dawson says the average American shouldn't be too concerned right now.
I don't think this is like all of us in the public should be worried about it type of disease, but I think it's important that, we recognize that early alarms don't mean that like I should be alarmed, but an early alarm is a trigger so that we start to solve problems before they become, from a problem to like a large problem to, a pandemic.
And Emily Shears of UPMC Hammett agrees.
Most healthy individuals have nothing to worry about. As with other drug-resistant bacteria, this fungus really does right now tend to be with those immune-compromised individuals that are in chronic care.
And with 33 cases in Pennsylvania in the past 12 months, local medical professionals are on the lookout.
We have seen cases in the state. Cases are mainly being reported now in the eastern part of the state. But because of that, we know it is very close to us, and hospitals around this area are on high alert and are preparing for, the potential of it coming here.
Now, medical professionals say the most common symptoms of Candida auris include a high fever and chills that don't improve even after treatment. We'll have more on the story on ErieNewsNow.com. Live from UPMC, Hammett, Tom Kowalski, Erie News Now.